Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we have today, you see the box. You got the Jordan box with all the accolades or the commercials or the posters or the drawings. But what we have is the Air Jordan 10 Retro Low IE in the Rio Teal colorway. Now, opening the box, on the inside of the box, you got the all black guts. You got the black paper. Inside of the black paper, you got the white paper. So these come double wrapped. Now, enough of that, man. Let's get into the kicks, man. Here it is. The Air Jordan 11 Low Retro IE Rio Teal. Now, I can't lie, man. When I saw the pictures of these, along with the other colors, I was like, oh, man. Jordan brand tripping. But once I got to see them in hand, I was feeling them. You know what I'm saying? Now, I never was a fan of the Jordan 11 Low IEs, but these, man, they do something to me. I can't really put my hand on what it is that I like about them, man, but I'm feeling them, man. So looking at the bottom of the shoe, you got your teal colorway with your translucent sole with a little bit of purple underneath. Looking at the outside of the shoe, you got your teal with your cement elephant print overlays. There's a look from the front, toe box. Got the purple Jumpman on the tongue. I mean, it's dope, man. On the medial side, you got that elephant print. I mean, it is what it is, man. On the back, you see the triangle with the mesh on the inside. Like I say, man, it's a dope shoe to me, man. You know what I'm saying? So let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. You feeling them? You're not? You gonna pass? You couldn't wait to see them? Let me know what's out, man. Looking at the other shoe, everything is identical. There's no difference between the two. You know, everything is alike. Tried to show y'all the inside, but you can't really see it. I should have put my other lens on. But anyway, man, look. It's a dope shoe, man. I'm feeling it. There's a look from the top. You got your teal green rope laces. You got your mesh running all around the sides of the shoe. Man, it's dope to me, man. You know what I'm saying? I done said that a couple of times already, but it is what it is, man. I'm feeling it. Now these release on, what is it, August the 16th, I believe. I think they retailing for 170 bucks. I don't know how they're gonna do on the resale market or whatever, but it is what it is, man. So if you're in the market for getting you some of these, man, go ahead and keep your eyes open next week, I think it is, from the time of this video. And go ahead and snatch you some, man. But in the meantime, man, let me know what y'all think in the comments, man. Let me know if you're feeling them or not. You know what I'm saying? So, like I say, that was my look at the Air Jordan 11 Low IE, the Rio Teal colorway. Y'all go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. Turn your notifications on. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazare504. And I'ma holla back.